So what you need to do is to go into the Play Store and you need to search for this app over here, Movies Edge, because the Samsung Galaxy A26 doesn't have a built-in always-on display app or anything like that. So you have to download this app to make this available. So I'll go ahead and install it. Open the app, and don't worry, it's free. You don't have to spend any money to have this feature. Over here, you're going to tap on Draw Over App. And from this list that opens, you need to turn on Movies Edge. Go back. And now you're going to go down below where you see AOD, always on display. So here you have multiple to choose. And the one with a star is the one that you need to pay for. And if the one that you want doesn't have a star, it will be free. So let's choose one that is free, and most of them are free, as you see. Okay, let's say I want, there's so many to choose. This one, I'll tap on it. You can edit it if you want. And once you're ready, click apply. It will be applied. And this is it. I mean, it's very easy. To demonstrate, let me just exit this app. Let's say I'm using my phone. I turn off the screen. And here we go. The always on display comes on after just like a second of the display being turned off, and it will stay like this. And once you're ready to use your phone, simply unlock it and start using it. I didn't have any password, that's why it jumped directly on the home screen, but you get the idea. Very easy, and every time it comes on the display. So thanks for watching. If this was useful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.